The Optimax TRS 650 range of automatic strapping machines has been developed for high-volume, inline applications. In this video, we demonstrate the TRS 650R, roller-driven version. In transit mode, the rollers continue to operate, but the strapping sensors are disabled, so that the machine doesn't have to be removed from the packing line when not in use. Hand mode is used whilst setting up the machine, and activation is only possible via the control panel. The TRS 650 strapping coil is mounted externally to the machine for rapid coil change, and the strap path is designed for high-speed reloading. Once the strap has been fed into the machine, the restart button is pressed to automatically feed the strap into position and prepare the machine for operation. Strap tension is set and controlled electronically. Rotating the dial clockwise increases the tension. In auto mode, strapping will be activated by the two sensors, positioned at either side of the strapping arch. These can be adjusted to fine-tune the distances between the carton ends and the straps. When the TRS 650 is set at 2 straps per box, both sensors engage. In single strap mode, only one sensor engages. The N mode enables the operator to set multiple strapping cycles at regular intervals, useful for bundling and securing longer items. Hinged top plates enable easy access to the strapping head for cleaning and maintenance. The robust and reliable strapping head is regulated by proximity switches that reduce parts wear. The TRS 650 also features the Optimax strap loop ejector system. If activation occurs when no package is positioned for strapping, the unused strap loop is expelled from the mechanism to prevent entanglement and jamming. Height adjustable legs enable the TRS 650 to be accurately aligned with other equipment in the packing line and to compensate for uneven floor surfaces to ensure stability. Swiveling casters enable easy movement of the machine if required. The TRS 650R features a roller drive designed for handling heavier packages and providing increased wear resistance. The belt drive of the TRS 650B is quieter in operation and more stable when conveying lighter weight packages. The TRS 650BP combines a belt drive with a pneumatically powered pre-compression bar. This is invaluable when strapping products with a high air content, such as corrugated cardboard, as it expels the air and creates a compact consignment without applying excess strap tension, which may cause damage. All models in the TRS 650 range require a 0.85 kilowatt, 415 volt 3-phase supply. For continuous use at a cycle time of 2.5 seconds, the TRS 650BP also requires an air supply capable of 240 litres per minute at 6 bar. Optimax. Optimum quality, maximum reliability.